Have you ever thought about how computers think? For a long time we've told them that everything is either a 1 or a 0, on or off, yes or no. It's a very rigid way of looking at the world, isn't it? But our world isn't like that at all. It's full of maybes, sort ofs, and a little bit of this or that. This is where a truly cool idea called fuzzy logic comes into play. It's a key part of what we call soft computing, which is a way to make computers think a little more like humans do, embracing the messiness and uncertainty of real life. It's not about making computers less precise, it's about making them smarter by understanding that not every answer is simple. So what exactly is soft computing? Think of it as giving computers a new set of tools to solve problems that are hard to pin down with exact numbers. Instead of demanding perfect, crisp information, soft computing allows for approximation and imperfection, just like we do every day. When you decide if it's warm enough for a t-shirt, you don't calculate the exact temperature to the decimal point. You just feel it. Soft computing tries to capture that intuitive, flexible kind of reasoning. Fuzzy logic is the star player on the soft computing team, helping machines navigate the gray areas of our world with grace and intelligence. Imagine trying to describe the color of the sky at sunset. Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? It's all of those things at once, and the boundaries between them are blurry or fuzzy. Traditional computers would struggle with this. They would want to know, is it red, yes or no? Fuzzy logic, on the other hand, is designed for exactly this kind of situation. It can understand that something can be a little bit red and a lot orange at the same time. This simple but powerful shift in thinking opens up a universe of possibilities for creating more intelligent, adaptable, and helpful technology. This approach doesn't throw out the old way of doing things, it builds upon it. It's like adding more colors to a painter's palette that previously only had black and white. Suddenly the artist can create much more nuanced and realistic pictures. In the same way, fuzzy logic allows engineers and scientists to build systems that can handle the complex, ever-changing nature of the world around us. From the thermostat in your home to the anti-lock brakes in your car, fuzzy logic is quietly working behind the scenes, making our world a little bit smarter and a whole lot smoother. It's science, and it's awesome. Even in the world of medicine, fuzzy logic is making a difference. Medical diagnosis is often a complex process that involves interpreting symptoms that are not always clear-cut. A self-driving car can't operate on simple yes or no rules. It has to make constant judgments about a safe following distance, an appropriate speed for the weather, and whether a pedestrian is likely to step into the road. By embracing these shades of gray, we can build machines that understand our world in a much more intuitive and, well, human way. Consider it.